Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making vegetable coconut curry sauce. This is very healthy and delicious. We'll be using chicken. You can use turkey or beef or any meat of your choice. We are going to be needing a lot of vegetables. Here I have some carrots, red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers, orange bell peppers and green bell pepper. Please don't have to use all of these various colors of bell peppers I used. You can just decide to use either of the two colors there, like the red and the green one plus the carrots. Here I also have some peas and some shrimps. Shrimp is completely optional. I have some coconut milk. I used 2 tins of coconut milk. Another alternative to this tinned coconut milk is the powdered one. So I got this from Nigeria. It serves as well. I've used it several times and the difference is not much. It comes in powdered form. Just have to mix it in water and make use of it. Here I also have some onions, some ginger, garlic and 2 habanero peppers. I'll be blending them together and we'll be using it to marinate our chicken. Some thyme, some curry powder, turmeric, seasoning cubes, some sweet corn, salt, bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of oil. Be serving this sauce with white rice. So the first thing to do is to create the marinade for the chicken. So here I blended the onions, the ginger, the garlic and the habanero peppers. After blending them together, pour it into a big plate. Then add some seasoning cubes, some curry and thyme, some turmeric, add the bay leaves, the salt and about 2 tablespoons of oil. This is the marinade for our chicken. So I like to prepare it in one bowl so that everything will be in uniform mixture before I transfer it into the chicken. So mix everything together, cover it with a film wrap, leave it in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes or more. You can even do this overnight. You can marinate the chicken and leave it in the fridge to stay overnight. It will help the spices go in. So now that the chicken is marinating, I prepare the vegetables. This is the way I slice it. You can do any shape you like. It can be either cube shapes or just the way I'm doing it. So now that the vegetables are ready, I set them aside. I went ahead, I opened my canned ingredients, the sweet corn and the coconut milk. Okay, so the next thing now is to add a little amount of oil to a pan. Start adding in the marinated chicken. We are just trying to achieve a golden brown color. We are not frying this chicken. This chicken is going to be cooked, okay? We are not going to be frying it. So what I was just doing was just to make the chicken to look appetizing by giving it this golden brown color. So just fry it for about 1 minute to 2 minutes on a low heat, just to achieve a golden brown color. After browning the chicken, pour in the leftover marinade, pour in the 2 tins of coconut milk. That is the only liquid we'll be using for this recipe. In case you don't have coconut milk, you can watch my other video to see how to make coconut milk at home. So after pouring in the coconut milk, mix everything together, cover it and let it come to a simmer. Because we are going to be pairing this sauce with white rice, I was boiling my rice on the other side. So the next thing to do now is to test this sauce and see if you need to season it more. Because of the ones we used while marinating the chicken, you might not need to add too much seasoning again. So I tested this at this stage and I added 2 more seasoning cubes and salt to it. We are going to be needing something to thicken the sauce, and this is also optional. You can either use some flour or Irish potato. So I dissolved about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and added it into the sauce. This is going to make the sauce to be a bit thick and not too thin. So next is to add in the vegetables. I usually like to add my carrots first because it takes a bit long to cook when compared to the other ones I'm using. So after adding in the carrots, I added the sweet corn and every other vegetables went in. So this is very easy to make and very healthy choice. Let me just sound this warning. In case you usually make about maybe let's say 1 cup of rice, whenever you're going to be using this sauce, just make 3 cups of rice, because you won't even know when you overeat. Like, it's that good. It is so good. And even if you are on a fat loss journey, you can pair this with maybe brown rice or cauliflower rice. It is so healthy. Look at all those vegetables and the coconut milk. It is so healthy. Please, I want you to try this recipe and give me a feedback. Give me also a big thumbs up. Thank you so much, and please remember to like, to comment, and to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much and have a nice day.